Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern School, Navada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my third video lecture of lesson 9 in civics. As I have discussed you in my previous video about different types of people and hawker person. Now today in this video I am going to discuss about Harpreet and Vandana. Harpreet and Vandana are business persons. Her father and uncle worked in a small shop, and when we study we find during festival times and on Sundays her mother and she helped them in the shop. She started working there only after she completed her college. So she was Harpreet. And now when we study about her business, she tells us that they opened that showroom some years ago. Her dress, it means she is a dress designer, and their business have changed. These days, people prefer to buy ready-made clothes rather than have them stitched. The trend these days is for ready-made garments, as we know, and every types of ready-made articles and objects we can see in the market. Now, when we study, we find we also need an attractive display for Vandana. It means Vandana says about this. It means for their showroom, they buy things from different places. They buy most of the materials from Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Ludhiana and Tripura. Some materials also come from Noida and Gurgaon, towns near Delhi. It means Gurgaon is a town that is located near Delhi. So they get some dress items from foreign countries too. Like this, we study and find that there are several things they need to do to run this showroom properly. They advertise in various newspapers, cinema, theatres, television and radio channels for their business purpose. Currently, this building where they run their shop is rented, but soon they plan to buy it. Ever since this market has become the main market for people living in the surrounding garments for their business has grown. They have been able to buy a car and book a flat in an apartment complex nearby. So like this, Harpreet and Vandana, there are many people. So like Harpreet and Vandana, there are many people who own shops in various markets of the city. These shops may be small or large, and they sell different things. Most business persons manage their own shops or business, but they are not employed by anyone, but they do employ a number of other workers as supervisors and helpers also. So these are the permanent shops that are given a license to do business, and these licenses are provided by the municipal corporation. The municipal corporation also decides on which day of the week the market has to remain closed. For example, the shops in the above market are closed on Wednesday, This market also has a small offices and shops that provide services. These services we can say like as banks, courier service and others. Now we come to know about factory workshop. Yes, what people do in the factory workshop area. Yes, if you want to have cherry work done on one of any dress which you needed for a special occasion, you can go in these areas. As the speaker says that his cousin said that she knew Nirmala who works in a garment factory. So who is Nirmala? Nirmala is a worker who works in garment factory. Nirmala's neighbors do zari work and embroidery work. So they caught a bus and headed towards the factory area. The bus was really crowded. At every stop, more and more people got on, and hardly anyone seemed to get off. So like this, we study about the population of cities also. People were pushing others to make more space for themselves in the bus, and a speaker says that his cousin guided him to a corner so that they wouldn't get squashed. Squashed, it means pressed among people. He wondered how people travel like this every day. As the bus entered the factory area, people started getting off. They also got off soon and at a crossing. So now we come to know about the second para. There were a large number of people sitting on railings in a group at the crossing. When they reached there, they seemed to be waiting for someone, and some groups had people on a scooters standing while and talking with them. So like this, these persons were workers who were waiting for the time of their work. So now in my next video I will discuss about other more persons. Thank you. Have a nice day.